This is a 10 thread 14 row repeat pattern, and you want to put your colours in this order. Obviously if you're looking at the pattern online you will see that I have swapped the purple for green, but you essentially want to keep the same order. So you want your black there if you're doing black like in the pattern, and then the filled colour for the hearts will be there, and then the outline colour for the heart would be there. For row 1 you want to start with a forward backward knot, and then 2 backward knots, then a forward knot, and then a backward forward knot. For row 2 and every subsequent even numbered row you want to ignore the first and last threads, and starting with threads 2 and 3 you want to do 3 backward knots, and then a forward knot. For row 3 you want to do a forward knot, and then 3 backward knots, and then a forward backward knot. For row 4, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do 4 backward knots. For row 5 you want to do all backward forward knots. For row 6, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do all forward knots. For row 7 you want to do 4 forward knots, and a forward backward knot. For row 8, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do 3 forward knots, and a backward knot. For row 9, you want to do a forward backward knot, two forward knots, a backward knot, and a backward forward knot. For row 10, ignoring the first and last threads. For row 10, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do all forward knots. For row 11, you want to do a forward backward knot, a backward knot, a forward knot, a backward forward knot, and a forward backward knot. For row 12, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do a backward forward knot, and then 3 forward backward knots. For row 13, you want to do a forward backward knot, forward knot, a backward knot, a backward forward knot, and a forward backward knot. For your 14th row, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do 3 backward knots, and a forward knot. And once you've done these, you want to return to row 1 and repeat rows 1 to 14 all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it.